Hey bestie, welcome back to our cozy little corner of the internet. Whiteheart. If you've ever scrolled through your feed and wondered how Korean glass skin looks so clear, fresh, and naturally radiant, you're in the right place. The secret isn't heavy makeup or expensive products. Glass skin is all about healthy, hydrated, glowing skin that reflects light naturally. Korean skincare focuses on two simple things: sparkles deeply cleansing the skin, sparkles keeping it intensely hydrated. So for the next 7 days, we're building healthy habits together using simple, gentle skincare and self-care rituals. Grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's start this glow journey together. The golden rule of glass skin. Before fancy serums or trendy products, there are 3 steps you should never skip. Sparkles. Step 1, double cleansing. Think of this as resetting your skin. An oil cleanser removes sunscreen, excess oil, makeup, and pollution. Then a gentle water-based cleanser washes away sweat and dirt. Clean pores equals fewer breakouts and brighter skin. Droplet. Step 2, lock in moisture. Healthy skin loves hydration. While your face is still slightly damp, apply your moisturizer. This helps seal water into your skin and creates that soft, bouncy glow Korean skincare is famous for. Sun. Step 3, never skip sunscreen. Bestie, sunscreen is non-negotiable. UV rays can cause dullness, dark spots, and damage your skin barrier. Apply sunscreen every morning, even on cloudy days or when you're indoors. Double cleanse. Moisturize. Protect. These 3 habits are the foundation of glass skin. Flood your skin with hydration. Today's focus is simple. Hydration. 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 Hydrating toner method. Instead of wiping toner across your face, gently pat it into your skin. This helps your skin absorb moisture more effectively and leaves it looking fresh and plump. DIY Rice Glow Serum. Let's make a simple homemade glow serum. You'll need half a cup washed raw rice water, rose water, aloe vera gel, vitamin E. Soak the rice overnight. The next day, strain the milky water and mix in a little rose water and aloe vera. Store it in a clean bottle and apply a few drops after cleansing. Glow from within. True glass skin starts inside. Sip water regularly throughout the day and aim for around 8 glasses. Hydrated body equals hydrated skin. And it is essential, never negotiated it, you deserve this best. Gentle exfoliation day. Today's goal is revealing fresh, smooth skin. Remember, only exfoliate 1 to 2 times per week. This remove dead cells. That screen and give glass glow. Too much exfoliation can damage your skin barrier. Sparkles DIY Glow Scrub. Mix together. 1 spoon coffee, 1 spoon fine rice flour, 2 spoons raw milk. Massage gently for only 1 minute. No harsh scrubbing. Then rinse with cool water. Your skin should feel soft, smooth, and refreshed. Korean face massage ritual. Let's wake up our skin naturally. Just 2 minutes a day can help boost circulation and reduce puffiness. And give instant glow and give natural shape to your face. Cloud jawline stretch. Tilt your head back. Pout gently. Hold for 5 seconds. Cherry blossom cheek lift exercise. Make an O shape with your mouth. Then smile wide. This helps activate your cheek muscles. Sparkles eye depuffing. Using your ring fingers, lightly tap around your eyes. This can help reduce morning puffiness and make your eyes look more awake. Finish by gently sweeping your hands upward across your face. Soft. Relaxing. Completely free. Whiteheart, the real secret to glass skin. Bestie, let's talk honestly for a moment. Glass skin isn't about perfection. It's not about filters. It's not about covering your face with layers of makeup. It's about caring for your skin consistently. The biggest secret behind beautiful skin isn't a product. It's showing up for yourself every day. Little habits. Little improvements. Every single day. And over time, those small actions create big results. Finally, your skin doesn't need perfection. It needs patience. It needs hydration. It needs kindness. And most importantly, it needs consistency. If you're joining this 7-day Korean glass skin challenge, leave a comment below saying, "Sparkles, I'm ready for this challenge." Let's motivate each other, glow together, and enjoy the journey. Until next time, bestie. Stay cozy, stay hydrated, and keep shining. Whiteheart sparkles.